Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you know, on Sunday, what is on Sunday? It's Mother's Day. I think you were happy with my last video on the Mother's Day card. Now we'll make another card related to mother. It will be a heart opening card, a pop-up card you can say. So for that we need to draw a 3x3 box. So here I am going to draw that. First of all, drawing the sleeping lines. And then the standing lines. Now what you need to do, you need to cut this box, this box, this box and this box from whole cube. Here you can see now we have got the type of explosion box, but we are going to make a I love you card with this. So what we will do, we'll erase these lines in between with the help of an eraser. Now you need to take the red sparkling sheet and cut the heart out of it. You can cut a big heart. And now another small heart. If you will cut like this, you will get an equal heart from both the sides. So hearts are done. Now what we will do, we'll fold this card. Press it properly and then press the another side like this. Do this from this side also. You will get a window opening like this. What we will do with the other two sides, we'll fold them inside. One like this and another like this. And having a window like this. So now cutting the heart from the center, a straight line dividing the heart into two equal halves. Now we will paste these hearts here like this. Before that, the portion that is remaining, you can cut that or you can do red color here. So here you can see I have pasted this heart. Now you need to open it like this and then opening it like this. Here we'll write a message I love you and MOM. The O we'll make in the shape of a heart that we made a smaller heart. So we'll paste it in between with the help of a glue. Now I'm going to write with the help of a marker. Now I am going to write MOM. Here I am going to write M. So I am using the doubling for writing M and O. You can write simply M, and here again we will have M. Here it comes MOM, and here it will come I love you. So now I have done this outlining. You can fill it with any color. I am using yellow to fill these letters. Okay guys, we are done with colors. Now I'll show you how it looks when we'll open it. Here it is like this. Now we'll open it from here and then we'll open it like this. I love you, Mom. So this was a mini card that you can paste it in any of your cards, or you can simply give it like this to your mother. You can use a ribbon to tie a knot here. The one card that I prepared in the last video. So here, since I have done nothing from inside, we'll paste this card here in the center, and on the top I can write Happy Mother's Day. That's all. I hope you like this mini card. So if you like this card and the video, do subscribe my channel and like the video. Also, it will be very nice if you will send me your drawings, your cards that you have prepared for your mother, or any video that you have prepared for your mother to make her special. Thank you guys.